Hey! Have you ever wondered how people seem to save thousands without breaking a sweat? They aren't born rich. They just know the right strategies. And in the next 2 hours, I'm going to reveal the secrets to effortlessly saving $10,000. And you can too. But here's the catch. If you don't stick around until the end, you'll miss out on a game-changing tip that could multiply your savings faster than you ever thought possible. Don't say I didn't warn you. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. The foundation of any smart savings plan, budgeting. If you're not budgeting, you're just guessing. And guess what? Guessing is not going to get you to $10,000. It's that simple. 1. Build a detailed budget. Picture this. You're trying to find your way to a destination without a map. Sounds chaotic, right? That's exactly what you're doing if you're not budgeting. I want you to think of a budget as your financial GPS. And here's the truth. A budget isn't just for people struggling with money. It's for everyone, especially those who want to live the wealthy lifestyle you're after. So let's break this down. Start with your income, then track your expenses. Yes, all of them, down to that $3 coffee you buy every morning. Don't let the small stuff slip by. You'd be surprised how quickly little things add up. Budgeting will give you the power to know exactly where your money is going. And the moment you know that, you start making conscious decisions on where to cut back, how to maximize what's coming in, and ultimately, how to hit that $10,000 goal. Here's a tip. Categorize your expenses into 3 sections: needs, wants, and savings. You can easily start trimming down on the wants without feeling deprived. And you'll be amazed at how much you save. Keep watching though, because we're just getting started. Okay, but what about those big expenses? Let's move on. 2. Automate your savings. So now you've got a budget, and you're feeling good, right? But here's the thing. If you don't automate your savings, life will find a way to sneak in and rob you of your progress. It's like putting a candy bar in front of a toddler. Of course, they're going to grab it. So what do? We take away the temptation. We automate. Set up an automatic transfer every month to your savings account, just like your rent or your Netflix subscription. Don't give your future self the chance to say, "I'll save next month." We both know that's a slippery slope. Let's say you save $500 a month automatically. In 12 months, that's $6,000. And trust me, you don't even have to think about it. It's effortless. What could you do with $6,000 right now? Hold on, we're not done. I've got more tips coming your way. 3. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. This one is a killer. We live in a world of endless subscriptions. Netflix, Spotify, Apple TV, gym memberships, subscription boxes. It's like they multiply the minute you blink. So here's the challenge for you. Go through your subscriptions. I mean, really go through them. Is there something you're paying for that you haven't used in months? Is that $10 a month for a subscription you don't even remember signing up for draining your account? Cutting these unnecessary subscriptions may sound small, but trust me, it adds up. Think about it. If you save just $50 a month from cutting subscriptions, that's $600 a year that could be going into your savings account. Don't believe me? Test it for 30 days and see for yourself. I know, we all love that free trial that turns into a hidden fee. But hey, the free trial is only free for a limited time, right? So stop giving away your money and start saving it. 4. Track your spending like a hawk. Here's a fun one. Tracking your spending. Sounds boring, right? But here's where it gets real. When you know where every dollar is going, your financial power explodes. No more guessing. No more impulse buys. You can't control what you don't track. This is where apps come in handy. Use Mint, an app, or even a simple spreadsheet. It might seem tedious at first, but I promise you, When you see how much money is being spent on things you don't need, you'll get angry at your own habits. That anger? Use it as fuel to change. And don't forget, once you track those expenses, categorize them, and go back to that budget, you'll be amazed at how much you can save when you track with precision. But wait! There's something even better on the horizon. 5. Find extra streams of income. Now we're diving into the exciting stuff, extra income streams. Listen, I know you've heard people say, earn more, save more. But it's more than a slogan. The richest people don't rely on one income. They have multiple sources. So let's talk about side hustles. Whether it's driving for Uber, starting an online business, or freelancing, you can create multiple streams of income. Here's the best part, that extra money? It's all going straight to your savings account. Don't underestimate the power of small gigs. It might not seem like much at first, but over time, it adds up to big numbers. Imagine $500 to $1,000 extra a month. That's $6,000 to $12,000 a year. Enough to reach your $10,000 goal sooner than you think. Still with me? Let's keep this momentum going. 6. Cut back on luxury spending. So here's where we need to get real. Luxury spending. Everyone loves the idea of designer clothes, fancy dinners, and spontaneous trips. But here's the harsh truth. If you're trying to save $10,000, now's the time to get disciplined. Don't get me wrong, treat yourself now and then, but don't go on spending binges because you deserve it. Remember, you're playing the long game. Cut back on those impulsive luxury buys and put that money in your savings account instead. Yes, I'm asking you to put down the new iPhone for now. It'll still be there when you hit your goal. Trust me. 7. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s might sound boring, but they're key to saving effortlessly over time. By contributing to these accounts, you're not only saving money for the future, but you're also saving on taxes now. And here's the kicker. Many employers will match your 401(k) contributions. That's free money. Why would you leave it on the table? Set up automatic contributions and let that money grow without you even thinking about it. It's effortless savings, and you'll thank yourself later. We're almost at the finish line. Stay with me. 8. Build an emergency fund ***. Last but certainly not least, an emergency fund. This is your financial safety net. The money you can fall back on in case life throws a curveball. You never want to be caught off guard by an unexpected expense, like car repairs or medical bills. I recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It might sound like a lot, but once you've built that cushion, you'll sleep easier at night knowing you're financially secure. So there you have it. 8 savings tips to help you effortlessly save $10,000. It's not about radical lifestyle changes. It's about small, consistent actions that add up over time. If you follow these tips, I promise, you'll reach your savings goals faster than you think. But remember, it's all about discipline, automation, and smart choices. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with the next topic you want me to cover. And before you go, check out my video on how to manage your money like the October 15th 75 rule. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. See you there?